Hello everyone, let's solve question from mensuration. The ratio of length to breadth of a rectangle is 4:3. Okay. And the area of rectangle is 300 square units. Time to calculate now. So let the length be 4x, breadth be 3x. This you should not write in exam. You should decide this in your mind only. So now 4x multiplied by 3x, this is 300 square units. So 12x square is 300. So from here x square is 300 divided by 12. So 2605. So x you are getting as 5. Okay. So length becomes 20, breadth becomes 15. Okay. Now it is saying that if the breadth of rectangle is decreased by 20%. What is 20%? 20% is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of 15 is 3. So new breadth will be 15 minus 3 because it is decreased by 20%. So 12. New length will be, and the length of is increased by 10%. What is 10% of 20? It is 2. So if I increase this by 2, I will get 22. Now it is asking what will be the new perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is nothing but 2 times L plus B. So this is 34 into 2, which will give you 68 as your answer, and that is clearly the second option. It's an easy question. Just you need to find the length and breadth, and then the new length and breadth to find the perimeter.